Hey guys, welcome back. We're in the shop this weekend and I have a new product to talk about. You guys all know that we make hydraulic clutch conversion pedal assemblies, but we finally got our square body, so 1973 to 1987 pedal assemblies done. We've shipped them all out to the people that were waiting on back order, and I just want to kind of take some time this weekend to kind of show you some of the features that we built into these pedal assemblies. I want to introduce you guys to our newest hydraulic clutch conversion pedal assembly. This pedal assembly is dedicated to all square body pickup trucks from 1973 to 1987. It's a complete comprehensive pedal assembly that replaces everything that you have now. I'm going to start on the clutch side of things and explain what its intents and purposes are. What we tried to do here is solve every question that you could have had or any issue that you could have had during previous installations not using our pedal assembly. The master cylinder is already attached to the pedal assembly. Pedal ratio is already chosen for you. All you have to do is hook up supplied plumbing hose kits and bleed the system. We give you pre-assembled hose assemblies for the pressure side with a clutch pressure switch, so this can be wired to a starter relay. And then I also give you guys the assembled reservoir side of the hose. The aluminum fitting goes in the firewall, and we also give you guys a black anodized aluminum reservoir that mounts to the outside of the firewall. On this model of truck, we're giving you a mounting bracket that's very simple to install. This mounting bracket is secured with 2 of the windshield wiper motor bolts, so you can simply install the reservoir and connect the line on the outside of the truck. The output for the clutch feed goes through the toe board and is very accessible for you to hook your feed hose up underneath the truck. Some of the options that we've added to the brake side I think are awesome because we've helped so many people over the past couple years figure out how to do manual brakes, and the factory included 2 different levers. So you could have either had a power brake lever or a manual brake lever, and the ratios were different. So if you wanted to go from a power brake lever, you'd have to cut the stud off and drill a new hole and move the ratio. What we've done is machined a pin that you guys can install if you want power brakes. This just simply tightens into the pedal and gives you a spot for your push rod if you want to do power brakes. If you're going to want to do manual brakes, you simply don't install the stud and you go to the higher hole, which is a 6.3-to-1 ratio for your manual brakes. Then you would be able to use our Willwood master cylinder that has the correct linked push rod and eyelet on it. If you're going to run our Willwood manual brake master cylinder spacer, we've also included longer studs to be installed into the top holes of the pedal assembly. You'd simply unthread the shorter studs that are pre-installed and you'd install the longer studs. Then you got plenty of thread to use our master cylinder spacers with a manual Willwood brake master cylinder. So that's it. Those are some of the features that I wanted to kind of talk to you guys about, not necessarily sell you on, but know that there's a lot more feature built into this pedal assembly than just simply adding a clutch hydraulic to it. One other thing that I forgot to mention is your power window relays can be mounted here, and there is provision for your, if you got a newer truck that has the cruise control release switch on it, that can be mounted on the side of this as well. So it literally has every feature that a factory pedal assembly would, plus a whole bunch more. So anyways, they're on our website now. We got plenty in stock. Check them out.